welcome to everyone. Here we are studying online lectures on behalf of Sri Coaching Classes Vidyanagar, Karnataka. So I am going to teach you our next point in the mathematics, the next basic points. Yes, from 2 to 3 days we are learning, or we are seeing that some basic points which are useful in our whole life. So just revise, we will put a revise on all these concepts that what we have seen. So the first day we have learned about the Roman numbers. Okay, the next day we learned about the basic concepts in geometry. Now what are there in the basic concepts? What are the basic concepts of geometry? We have seen that point, line, segment, okay, ray, planes, parallel lines, okay, intersecting lines, collinear points, non-collinear points. Depending upon these, we have seen the next one, that was the angles. So what are the angles? When two lines get joined to each other, we form a angle. Okay, when two lines are joined to each other, then we form a angle. As well as when three lines get joined with each other, or three non-collinear points, when we join the three non-collinear points, we get a triangle. Okay, yesterday we have seen what are the triangles, types of triangles. Okay, then what we have seen? We have seen properties of triangles. Okay, now angles are formed by two lines, triangles are formed by three lines. Okay, now what is the name when the figure is formed from the four lines? Yes, the next point is are quadrilaterals. Okay, then what are the quadrilaterals? Quadrilaterals are nothing but the figure or the shape which is formed by four sides and four angles. So what are the four sides? We can take anything. Okay, this is for the example. Four sides and four angles are formed. What they form? They form the quadrilaterals. Okay. Now in quadrilaterals, what we can see? Which are the shapes or which are the figures that are of quadrilaterals? Okay. What are that? Yes. Anyone can tell? There are two types. Okay. What are the quadrilaterals? Are divided into two types, that is squares and rectangles. Okay. Basic part. The other parts are also there, such as parallelogram, okay, rhombus. But you are small, so here we can see only the two types, which are the square and the rectangle. Okay, the types of quadrilateral. Now, do you know what is square and what is rectangle? Okay, can anyone tell? Square. What is the square? Where all sides are equal, the figure is called as square. The square or the figure with four sides common or the same, it is called as a figure. It is called as a square. म्हणजे काय? चार बाजू एकसारख्या असणार, चार साइड्स एकसारख्या असल्या तर त्याला आपण काय म्हणणार आहे? स्क्वेअर. व्हॉट इज रेक्टँगल? ओके, रेक्टँगल, the opposite sides of the rectangle are same. Such a figure is called as rectangle. Such a quadrilateral is called as rectangle. Okay, square is also has four sides, rectangle also has four sides. बरोबर? Square ला सुद्धा चार sides आहेत, rectangle ला सुद्धा चार sides आहेत. Okay, पण square मध्ये सगळे sides काय असतात? सेम असतात. तसं रेक्टँगल मध्ये ऑपोजिट साइड्स काय असतात? सेम असतात. ओके, we will name the quadrilateral as ABCD and this PQRS. Okay, the specific figure of quadrilaterals we can see here the square and the rectangle. This is the square, this is the rectangle. Now what is the example of square? Okay, what is the example of square? somewhere we can see the box. Okay, the box, some box has all four sides the same. Okay, for rectangle, the best example is this board. Okay, the board which has opposite sides same, and these opposite sides are same. Okay, the upper and the down one is the same, and the all other two sides are same. This the rectangle shape is the example of the board is the example of the rectangle shape. Okay, many examples we can see. Some tiffin box. Okay, कोणाचे डबे सुद्धा काय असतात, स्क्वेअर असतात, कोणाचे डबे काय रेक्टँगल असतात, हे की नाही. मग आज तुम्ही काय करायचं, आपल्या घरामध्ये कुठले शेप्स आहेत. आता आपला टीव्ही कसा आहे, टीव्ही कोणत्या शेपचा असतो, रेक्टँगल शेपचा असतो, बरोबर. टीव्हीच्या ऑपोजिट साइड काय असतात, रेक्टँगल सेम असतात, म्हणून तो काय असतो, रेक्टँगल असतो. So you have to find such figures in your home that their shape are rectangle and square, and write down in your notebook all these names. Okay, write the heading square. What are the shapes like square which you are found in the home? So you will write all the shapes under the squares, all the shapes under the rectangles which are there in your home. Okay, in your house. Okay, the four sides is called as quadrilaterals. Yes, we can see here four angles are also present. चारी पण angles आहेत इथं, चारी पण sides आहेत. अशा वेळेस काय आपण म्हणणार आहे त्याला, quadrilaterals. Okay, now we have seen here that when two lines get joined, angle is formed. When three lines get joined, the triangle is formed. Okay, when four sides get joined, the quadrilateral is formed. Now again, if we join the five sides, then what will happen? So the next part we have seen next figures. Okay, we will see all depending upon the sides. Now here we can see three sides. Okay, if there are three sides, it is a triangle. Okay, when it is four sides, then it is a quadrilateral. Okay, when it is five sides, if it is five sides, then it is called as pentagon. Okay, for six sides, it is hexagon. Okay, then for seven sides, it is called heptagon, and for eight sides, it is called as octagon. Okay, all these names should be learned. Okay, you should remember all these names. See what happens, mostly in mathematics, these triangles and quadrilaterals or squares or rectangles, such names are used. Okay, but these names are not mostly used, so we forget as we grow up. Okay, so if you have not to forget, so you have to learn these numbers. See, learn these names. The spelling should be also learned, and remember, when it is five sides, it is called pentagon. When it is six sides, it is called hexagon. When it is seven sides, it is called heptagon, and when it is eight sides, it is called octagon. Up to eight sides, it is more. Okay, for 5th to 10th classes, up to eight sides, it is must. Okay, now we will see the figures. Okay, how the figures will form. For pentagon, it is of five sides. Okay, it is of five sides. Then five sides figure. What will be five side figure? The figure will be such that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yes. We will name it as A, B, C, D. Okay, this is called as pentagon. Okay, now we will see the hexagon. Okay, hexagon has 6 sides. Okay, so we will see the hexagon, how the shape will be. Okay, this will be hexagon. Okay, do you understand? Just remember, if there are 6 sides, it is a hexagon. 5 sides, it is a pentagon. If 4 sides quadrilateral, you know. 3 sides, it is triangle. Now, the next part we will see the heptagon. What is that? With 7 sides. Now, how you will do it? See the 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just will give this names P, Q, R, S, T, U. Okay, for this we will also give A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. See how many? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, this is called as heptagon. Now, the figure with 8 sides is called as octagon. Okay, what it is called? Octagon. Okay, such figure is called as octagon. See number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 sides are present, so it is called as octagon. With 7 sides, it is called as heptagon. 6 sides, hexagon. 5 sides, pentagon. Okay, so if you will do from time to time, if you will see it after some days, after 1 month, 2 months, always revise these numbers. Okay, always revise these names. It will always be in your mind up to your whole life. If you have to remember up to your whole life, you have to revise it from time to time. Okay. Now all these names you have understood. Okay. Now how you will give a name. Okay. Yesterday we have seen how the triangle name is given, how the angles names are given. Okay. For such quadrilaterals, what you will give the name? Okay. See this figure. You don't know that this is square or this is rectangle. Okay. But you know the name ABC. Now how you will write? For triangle we will draw a small triangle. Okay. Now for quadrilateral you will draw 4 sides quadrilateral and you will write in the front of it what is the name? A, B, C, D. Now here you can see while giving the name you should not go cross or from middle. Okay, you have to go either clockwise or either anti-clockwise. नाव देताना काय करायचं तुम्ही? नाव देताना अधून मधून जायचं नाही. नाव देताना नेहमी काय करायचं? क्लॉकवाइज जायचं किंवा अँटी क्लॉकवाइज जायचं. क्लॉकवाइज म्हणजे काय? आपल्या घड्याळाचं असं फिरतं, असं गोल फिरतं, बरोबर? अँटी क्लॉकवाइज म्हणजे त्याच्या उलट असं, बरोबर? असं केलं तर चालेल, असं केलं तर चालेल. पण ए सी डी बी असलं काय करायचं नाही. गेलं तर एका साइडून जायचं. Okay, A, B, C, D. You have to give such a name to every quadrilateral, every shape of the in the geometry. Okay, do you everyone understand? Okay, in what is there? We will see revise it. Okay, in the square, all sides are same. Okay, so it is called as square. The opposite sides are same, then it is called as what it is called? Rectangle. When there are 5 sides, it is called as pentagon. When there are 6 sides, it is called as hexagon. When there are 7 sides, it is called as heptagon. And when there are 8 sides, it is called as octagon. Okay, do everyone understand? So write down all these names, draw the figures with the help of pencil. Don't use pen for drawing the figures. Okay, draw the shapes under these names, give the names, write the 4 sides. We have now write here also you can write the names. Okay, what are the names of the sides for quadrilateral ABCD? That is side AB, side BC, side CD, and side AB. Okay, you have to give such names for every figure. Okay, do everyone understand? Okay, if any problem, please give your comments. Okay, if you like, please like the video. If any doubt, please ask me, or please ask if you want. If you are afraid, then please ask me on my personal number. Okay, but clear your doubts from time to time. Don't keep in your mind. तुम्ही हे काही तुमचा डाउट असेल तर तुम्ही तो त्या वेळी क्लिअर करायचा. हो, माघारी ठेवला तुम्ही विसरणार, हा हे पण विसरणार, आणि मग ते भीतीपोटी तुम्ही डाउट विचारणार नाही, तुमचा पॉइंट क्लिअर होणार नाही. आता आपण काय करतोय, आपण सध्या काय करतोय तर सध्या आपण बेसिक पॉइंट शिकतोय. आणि बेसिक हे नेहमी काय महत्त्वाचं. का बेसिक शिकवतोय? डायरेक्ट तुम्हाला पुढचं शिकवलं हे माहीतच नसेल हेक्सागोन पेंटागोन म्हणजे काय, कसं कळणार तुम्हाला? ओके, रेक्टँगल म्हणजे काय हे माहीतच नसेल, तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट शिकवलं, डायरेक्ट टीचरने प्रॉब्लेम दिले सोडवा, समजणार आहे का? नाही. मग हे तुम्हाला बेसिक बेस स्ट्रॉंग असणं महत्त्वाचं आहे. मॅथ्स मध्ये नेहमी काय असतं, तुमचा बेस स्ट्रॉंग पाहिजे. तुमचा बेस स्ट्रॉंग असला की तुम्हाला पुढचे प्रॉब्लेम असे पटपट येणार. ओके, सो तुम्हाला मॅथ्स असं पटपट सोडवायचं असेल तर काय करायचं आहे, आधी आपले बेसिक पॉइंट्स पण असे पटपट क्लिअर करायचे. ओके, बेसिक पॉइंट्स पटपट क्लिअर झाले की आपला सिलेबस पण असा पटपट होणार, त्याचं पण काही टेन्शन घ्यायचं नाही. ओके, प्लीज स्टडी. ओके, टाइम टू टाइम तुम्ही स्टडी करत राहा. लॉकडाऊन आहे म्हणून घरी शांत बसायचं, खेळायचं, ते पण करायचं, सगळं करायचं, पण अभ्यास पण करायचा. सो रोजच्या रोज जे काय आपण इथे शिकतोय तसा रोजच्या रोज तुम्ही त्या नोटबुक मध्ये मी सांगितलं तसं अभ्यास करत चला, थोडी प्रॅक्टिस ठेवत जावा. स्कूल आले की एकदम तुम्हाला फास्ट येणार. सो तुम्ही आतापासूनच तयारीला लागा. अभ्यास हा आपल्याला करायचाच आहे. ओके, ठीक आहे. घरीच थांबा, बाहेर फिरू नका. ओके, आणि काळजी घ्या.